Voices whispering to me, voices whispering to me, words that I can understand, words that I can understand, meanings I must clearly hear, meanings I must clearly hear, calling me to follow close, lest I leave myself behind, lest I leave myself behind, calling me to walk into, calling me to walk into evening shadows one more time, evening shadows one more time. So I leave my boats behind, leave them on familiar shores. Set my heart upon the deep. Follow you again, my Lord. In my memories I know how you send familiar rain, how you send familiar rain, falling gently on my days, falling gently on my days, dancing patterns on my page, dancing patterns on my page. And I need to learn once more in the fortress of my mind, in the fortress of my mind, to believe in falling rain, to believe in falling rain. As I travel deserts dry, as I travel deserts dry. So I leave my boats behind, leave them on familiar shores. Set my heart upon the deep. Follow you again, my Lord. As I gaze into the night, down the future of my years, down the future of my years, I'm not sure I want to walk, I'm not sure I want to walk past horizons that I know, past horizons that I know. But I feel my spirit go like a stirring deep within, like a stirring deep within. Restless till I live again, restless till I live again. You're the fears that close me